Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and let me show you why I think that this is the perfect crossbody bag.
First off, this bag is just so classy looking with its chevron stitching on both the purse itself and the little coin purse it comes with. It's really just your go-to everyday bag. It has great organization on the inside with 3 card slots as well as a small zippered pouch on the inside, and it really is deceiving how much it can actually fit. And this little coin purse is perfect for my earbuds and my chapstick, so I have them ready to grab while I'm on the go. It is so nice to be able to have these things right where I need them. And I love the strap that this bag comes with because it can be shortened quite a bit or lengthened really long. So if you are tall or you just want to have the bag being nice and short, it will do either. And I love how the little coin purse has 3 different options where you can just put it on the inside of your bag. You could clip it to either side of the front of the bag, or it has its very own clip right up top so it's nice and close. You can even take the straps off this bag and use it as a clutch. How perfect is that?
So if you have been looking for the perfect little crossbody bag that can do it all, look no further. This is the one for you. And that is my point of view.